Attention all kids everywhere. We bring you the human body. Your head is at the top of your body. Your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are on your head. You use your eyes to see and your ears to hear. You use your nose to smell and your mouth to talk. Your arms are on the sides of your body. Your arms have elbows to bend, hands to wave, and fingers to jiggle. Your legs are at the bottom of your body. Your legs have knees to bend, feet to walk, and toes to wiggle.
I said D flat. What's he doing playing D sharp?
Hey, Hoots, you looking kind of down in the feathers, man.
Hey, what's up, John? Boy, it's just one of those days where you're trying to have a jam session and just nothing seems to go right. I guess this bird's feeling a little blue.
Oh, yeah, I've been there, You know how I cheer myself up? I sing a song.
Oh, you're gonna sing one right now?
It'll make you feel good.
All right.
Sing a song about sunshine. Sing a song about taking a walk in the rain. Sing a song about daytime. Why not sing about taking a ride on the train? You can't go wrong when you sing a song.
You can say that again.
Sing it loud, sing it strong. It feels good when you sing a song. You're on Hoops.
Sing a song about new friends. Sing about tomorrow and yesterday. Sing a song about old friends. Why not sing about having a sax to play? It can't be bad, even if it's sad. Sing it loud, sing it strong. It feels good when you sing a song.
All right. Let's sing a song about pickles or plants, or birds or ants, or anything that comes along.
Sing a song about laughing or crying, a banana or a lion. Sing a song about the short and the tall,
the big and the small,
or anything at all. Sing a song about moonbeams. Yeah. Sing a song about something that's in your head. Sing a song about daydreams. Sing a song about orange, yellow, blue, or red.
You never lose.
When you're singing the blues,
sing it high, sing it low, sing it fast, sing it slow. It feels good when you sing a song.
Here we go.
You can't go wrong
when you're singing a song.
Oh, sing it high, sing it low.
Sing it fast, sing it slow.
Sing it happy, sing it sad.
Sing it good, sing it bad.
Sing it all day long.
Yeah.
It feels good when you sing a song.
Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo. Boy, you got away with those ivories, my man.
Thanks, Hoots.
Yeah.